Overview of cell structure. When you look at all living organisms, they are made up of cells. Considering this animal here, we see that it is made up of very many cells, and the cell structure is composed of plasma membrane, this outer coat, and then inside is a nucleus where the genetic material called DNA is stored. Then we also have the mitochondria, which are energy stores, and then we have this gel-like fluid, the one we are calling cytoplasm. So there are basically two cell types. We have the eukaryotic and then the prokaryotic. When you look at this membrane, the nuclear membrane is existing, and here we don't have it. So where it is not existing, we call it prokaryotic cell, and where it is found, we call it the eukaryotic cell. So these are prokaryotic cells, and they are basically found in bacteria. Within the cell, we have what we call the organelles. Organelles, those are the small structures, the little organs that are found within the cell. For example, the nucleus, we are having here the mitochondria, we are having here the food vacuoles, we are having the cytoplasm. All of those are components of. Looking deep into the DNA, into the nucleus, you see that it stores the genetic material. That's DNA. If they are too much coiled, we call them chromatin. The membrane which covers the nucleus is called the nuclear membrane. And then these usually only appear during cell division. Those are the chromosomes. And this region here, where a lot of them are concentrated, we call it nucleolus, where the ribosomes are produced. These ribosomes are very important during the manufacture of the proteins. Usually they stay on some other structures that we call the endoplasmic reticulum. That makes them rough. So those are proteins that are being manufactured by the ribosomes. We have a plant cell here, and then you have here an animal cell. You really see that this plant cell is a bit different from an animal cell. Whereby you look at an animal cell, it is a bit circular, and this one is not circular. You look at its nucleus, here it is in the center, but here it is in sides. You look at the size of the food vacuole, here it is very big, and then this we have small ones. We have this with chloroplasts present, this with chloroplasts are not in.